Have you ever seen a warning light appear on your dashboard and had no idea what it meant? Maybe you ignored it, hoping it would just go away. Well, you're not alone. Most drivers don't actually know what those warning lights mean, and that can lead to serious and expensive damage to your car. In this video, I'm going to break down the most common car warning lights, explain what they really mean, and what you should do if one lights up while you're driving. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident and safer behind the wheel. Let's get into it. The first warning light is the check engine light. It usually looks like a little engine icon or sometimes just says, check engine. This light can mean many different things, from something simple like a loose fuel cap to more serious issues like an engine misfire. If this light comes on, it's important not to ignore it. Take your car to a workshop or a parts store to get it scanned and see what's wrong. The sooner you know, the cheaper and easier the fix usually is. Next is the oil pressure warning light. This one looks like an old-fashioned oil can. When this light turns on, it means your engine oil pressure is dangerously low. Driving with this light on can damage your engine permanently. You should stop the car safely, turn off the engine, and check your oil level immediately. If you're unsure, call for roadside assistance. Then we have the battery warning light. It looks like a small battery icon and usually comes on when there's a problem with your charging system, like a dying battery or a failing alternator. If this light comes on while you're driving, your car may lose power suddenly. Try to reach a workshop without turning off the engine, because it might not start again if the battery dies completely. The next one is the engine temperature warning light. This one looks like a thermometer in water. It means your engine is overheating, and that's a serious problem. You should pull over and stop the engine immediately. Never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. Wait for the engine to cool down, then check your coolant level or call for help. Up next is the brake system warning light. This might appear as an exclamation mark in a circle. It could mean your brake fluid is low or there's a problem with your brake system. If the light comes on while driving, especially if your brakes feel soft or make grinding sounds, stop the car and don't continue until it's checked. The ABS warning light is another important one. This light says ABS, which stands for anti-lock braking system. If it lights up, it means the system isn't working properly. Your normal brakes still function, but you could lose control during sudden stops or slippery conditions. You should have it inspected as soon as possible. Another one to watch for is the tire pressure monitoring system light. This looks like a flat tire with an exclamation mark. It means one or more of your tires may be underinflated. Driving with low tire pressure is dangerous and causes uneven wear, lower fuel economy, and a higher risk of tire blowouts. Check and inflate your tires to the recommended pressure. It usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door. Let's talk about the airbag warning light. It looks like a person with a circle in front of them, representing the airbag. If this light is on, it means there could be a fault in your airbag system. That means your airbags may not deploy during a crash, which is extremely dangerous. This is a safety issue that should be fixed immediately. Another common one is the traction control warning light. It usually shows a car with squiggly lines underneath. If it flashes while you're driving in rain or on a slippery road, that's normal. It means the system is working to keep you stable. But if it stays on constantly, your traction control system may be off or not working properly. It's not an emergency, but you should still get it checked soon. And of course, we can't forget the classic fuel warning light. When this light turns on, it means your fuel is low. But here's a tip. Don't make a habit of driving with low fuel. Doing so regularly can cause the fuel pump to overheat and wear out faster, leading to expensive repairs. Now you know what these warning lights actually mean, and more importantly, what to do when you see them. Your car talks to you through these symbols. The more you understand them, the better you can take care of your vehicle and stay safe on the road. Have you ever ignored one of these lights before? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car care tips and automotive guides every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.